now students, next we will discuss about the plant breeding for developing the insect pest resistance varieties. Okay, so now what is the insect pest resistance means here? Means the plants, if suppose they are having the genes which can fight against, which means protect them from the insects or pests, that are known as the insect pest resistant varieties. Okay, so here are some plants that I mentioned. If suppose they are having these physiological or the biochemical characteristics, then they can prevent themselves from the insect or the pests. So like the first is the nectarless cotton varieties. Okay, the cotton varieties which have the nectarless leaves, they do not attract the ball worms. They do not attract ball worms. Second is hairy leaves, like hairy leaves that are present in case of the cotton or in case of the wheat, and they show resistance against the jacids, and in case of wheat they show resistance against the cereal leaf beetle. Okay. Third is like in case of wheat, the stems that are solid. The stems that are solid and they show, means these solid stems, they protect them from the saw fly, and it is also known as the stem saw fly. Now next is like in case of the maize. In case of maize, the high aspartic acid, low nitrogen content and the sugar content, it protect them from the maize stem borers. Okay, so if suppose these kind of characters that are, means these kind of features, biochemical or the physiological features that are present in any plant, then they will show resistance against the particular insect or pests. And from these kind of plants, means from these kind of plants only, if suppose these are hybridized with the another plant which don't have these genes, then we can produce the progeny, we can produce the superior recombinants having these kind of genes. Okay, so another methods are like the same that we have discussed in case of the disease resistant varieties. So let's discuss one by one. What are the methods of producing these kinds of the plants? So first, that is the conventional plant breeding method. That we discussed germplasm collection and then the selection of the parents, superior parents having the desired quality, having the desired character, and then cross hybridization, and then after cross hybridization the selection of the superior progeny and then testing release. Okay, so conventional plant breeding, in that what we will do, that the plant having these kind of characters, that is taken, that is selected, and the plant which is not having that character, and then after cross hybridization the plant which is produced, it is having both the characters. Now next is soma clonal variants. Okay, as same we discussed that the protoplasm that is collected and then hybridized to produce the hybrid protoplasm, and then it is grown into a plant which is having the desired insect pest resistance gene. Third, that is mutation breeding, means the same methods that we discussed in the disease resistance, means by the mutation also, by means artificially mutation that is done, in which what happens, the sequence that is changed and then it is responsible for coding the different kind of the character, and then selection that is followed. Next is the genetic engineering. Genetic engineering means the plant having the gene, this gene that is transferred to the another plant, means if suppose this gene that is responsible for, this is having the means this gene is having insect pest resistant character, means it is responsible for encoding this, then this gene, it is isolated and then it is isolated and then transferred to the another plant. So the another plant, the different plant, that will also become the gene, means it will become resistance against that particular insect or pest. So this is all about plant breeding for developing insect pest resistance. Now we will discuss one table in which we will discuss about some varieties which are developed which show resistance against the insect pest resistance. Now this table, it is showing the various crop varieties which shows resistance against the insect pests. Like first, that is Brassica. So Brassica crop, it has variety, the new varieties that are Pusa Gaurav, which shows resistance against aphids. Second, that is the flat bean, and the varieties that are Pusa Sam 2 and Pusa Sam 3, which shows resistance against the jassids, aphids and fruit borer. Third, that is okra, bhindi, and the varieties names that are Pusa Swani, Pusa A4, and they shows resistance against the insect pests, shoot and fruit borer.